we had to do our laundry. Kaya may mga tutupiin ngayong umaga. Kaya naman, kailangan na nating magmadali. The time is running. Okay, everyone, I have to say bye-bye. I think at 4 minutes. Pag nandun na tayo. I'm still bringing this leaves. Maple leaf. This is the national leaf. Tama? The national leaf?
Yes.
The national leaf in Canada, and we can see this leaf in the Canadian flag. Maple, maple. Ay, go. Choo-choo. Tatawid tayo dalawa dito, tapos sa kabila. Good morning sa mga umaga at good night, good evening sa mga... Ito, nauna na pala dito. Oo, nauna na pala dito sila. Parang lagi naman tong na ano. Kaya mega love shout out once again to Oreny Orange. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. I'm going to say bye-bye soon. Yan, dito na kami sa Independente. Independentes. Ay. Ano na? Para akong nababahing. Excuse me.
We're going to the
Hello.
market. May ano sa... Sige. Dread.
Ayan, nakapostura siya ha. Patrabaho na siya. Okay, malapit na tayo sa ating pamilya. Parang siyang dito sa Inville part na ito. Ito yung pamilihan. This is the palengke. Kasi it's in the center of this neighborhood. Look at that. Welcome to our neighborhood. And this is the only one grocery stores in the middle. And after that, you have to go to other place so that you can do your grocery. Pero dito, ito yung pamilihan nila. Kaya para siyang pamilihan ng bayan. Parang ganun. Ano ang tawag sa mga municipal palengke. Supermarket, municipal. Hi. We're in Loras. Marami pa dito mo.
Nowhere.
Just need some rest. Okay. Dito. Kawawa naman they're starting to wither. Pero maganda pa rin siya yung bulaklak niya Tapos ito naman chrysanthemum. This is their time. They can survive in the cold season. So they can still do to plant this one. And it costs like $35 each. Woo! $35 each. Woohoo! The water is on sale.